Welcome back to my channel. My name is Scrap Queen and today I like to show you some new papers that I got from Emma Scrap, and she asked me to do a design team project for her, and well, I could not resist, of course, and I choose Stamperia Cosmos. So check out this website where you can find lots and lots of nice collections from Stamperia, Graphic 45, Scrapmeer, Crafto Clock, Gorgeous. Well, I can go on and on and on. She has a great website, so please check it out. Well, it's a France website, but I believe she sent worldwide, so check it out. So yeah, I get the opportunity to choose, so I choose the new Stamperia Cosmos, and I absolutely fall in love with that one when I saw it, and yeah, I could not resist choose this one. The colors I absolutely adore, and as you know, I like blue and vintage and purple and the yeah, I just love it. So let's dig in how these papers look like. Alright, so the front, you also can use, of course, you also can use all these nice images. So let's go to the back of the front. There's really a nice wooden background with some lyrics on the back and some crack in it. I absolutely love the colors, the vintage. I hope I do not say too much that word, how much I love it. But I can't resist. Okay, the second page. Let me see what's on it. Well, I completely fell in love with the colors. The combine of the colors of the blue and the purple, the brown. And the images are so, yeah, well, it's kind of a bit different than always flowers and the same images, and this is totally cool. So okay, let's go to the background of that one. That is, yeah, also the wooden thing. The inside, I believe, from a tree. So nice with the splashes all the way around. So very cool. Then you get to these little squares, and I believe the back, oh yeah, yep, they did a good job on the back too. So you can make these nice cards with it. It would be a shame if you glue these on something else, but some people do, some people don't. But oh my gosh, look at this wolf crying, and these deers, this owl, even a frog down here, a little bird. So cool. How you call this? Howling into the moon? Crying in the moon? I don't know how it's, I will look that up. So nice. Alright, so the back, yeah, so cool. So you can use them, nice images on the front, and on the back you can write something down. So cool. And then this, look at this, it's some blue, purple, really nice. They have some lyrics on the back, a nice moon. So awesome. And oh, this is nice. The front and the back has the same color. You have a nice edge all the way around. And then this, I have no clue how this is called, but I like it. Then you can use all these words, and the words are in different languages. They are in English and La Felicidad es el camino. What's that? Spanish? I think it's Spanish. Solo la noche se a la mañana. Yeah, I think it's Spanish. So now, alright, this is the same as the front. So yeah, if you cut it right, if you don't want to use the Spanish words, you can use the English words, but I have no problem with using both of the languages. But we don't know what it says, but La magia de la vida. Magical vibes. Oh, it's nice. It's so cool. And the background is the same, I believe, as the front page. So you have this double. That's good. This is my favorite page. It's absolutely stunning how this wolf holds to the moon. Yeah, look it up. This is really cool. I think I will use this at the front of a nice album. What do you think? And like I said, I like the blue and the purple and the brown. It's really cool. Alright, and we have another wooden background with, again, coming back these colors. Oh, and this is a perfect opportunity, because you have this blue and purple and some green, and well, no, I'll wait. I just have just a little thing that I already did. Then here I think you have a closer look to the moon. I see some recognition of the moon, and again the lyrics come back, and the splatters of the blue and the green and the purple. Oh, look at this! Oh my gosh! I have a second favorite paper. That's this. Oh my gosh! This is just perfect. I have no words for this collection. I really don't. Or too much same words. How much I love it. Now I am always looking at these pictures, and there is so much to see in it. So good how she collects all items. That you have on the back, and a purple top and some circles, and then this deer, and then here the nice moon, and all in the corners you have these cosmos things. Never stop looking up. Totally true. I always look at the moon too. I don't know if that's a habit, but I always like that, especially on a full moon. I do not haul at the moon, but I do look at the moon, especially when it's full. Yeah, I don't know what else can I say. It's just perfect. And on the back, so it's really a waste of paper if you are going to glue this down on cardstock, because the backs are so beautiful too. So I think the best way is to just cut out and use them as cards or something. I will use it. Then this one is yeah, it's pretty busy, but I really like that the back is a light color. So she did make a nice color palette for this one, with the purple and the blue and these nice images, the cosmos images, the animals that comes back. Wow, this is really cool, and you can cut this out from this one, so you have a big tag card, and you can cut. So yeah, you can cut. I think that's the reason also. You can use it as a full sheet, but you also can cut it out. Alright. Oh, it keeps getting better. I really like the splashes, the watercolor splashes. I am in love. Alright, then we have a tagged page. Oh, on the back you can use it too. Now, of course, the other pages you can use it too. But this is cool. These you can cut out and you can glue them down on a nice piece of cardstock. Look at this frog. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, and here again, this nice round. Oh, I have already an idea to use these round shapes. Someone announced me a good idea to use. in an album, so this is perfect. Ooh. Oh yeah, I want to get started. So the background is, yeah, it's not that quiet, but I still like the back. I really like the edge and the light background color, and it's perfect for the background of this tags. No, stop! This is also very nice for a front cover. So much to see in it. Do you see that? The planets and the cosmos, circles, the things. I do not have any names for it, but I think they are something to, yeah, I'm not going to crack my mind on it. I really like this owl. So cute. Look how wise he looks at me. And I like the purple feathers coming back in it. So cool. And on this page, ooh, this is actually a nice collage for a layout, a mixed media layout. You don't have to do anything more on it, just making a photo on it and put some flowers on it, then it's ready to go. So easy, so beautiful. Nice, 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 nice. And then I believe, oh yeah, that's good. I saw this one too, so you have two of these, and that's already the background of the last page. Just I really love that they use the front and the back from the cover, so you also can use this strip or you can use the inside, so that's perfect. I love it. And she sent me 3 bags, so lots to play with. And yeah, this morning I was getting started for the first time after 4 weeks holiday. Yeah. And I decided to color a few of matching seam binding. So I grabbed my white seam binding and I created these 4 colors. And I think they match perfectly with these papers. So what do you think? Shall I start? Yes, I want to start. Oh yeah. So, but first of all, I'd just like to show you what I got. And so if you would like to check it out, please go to the website www.emmascrap.fr. And it's a French website. So if you have any questions, then send just her an email and she will get back to you. Oh, thank you so much, Emma Scrap, and I hope I do not disappoint you to make a nice project of these nice papers. So again, Emma, thank you so much for sending me these papers, and I hope the project will be soon ready. Soon. Yeah. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.